Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to do practice of future indefinite tense sentences. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. First sentence is, she will bring vegetables for you. Anita will meet you tomorrow. She will pack your tiffin. They will watch movie. Anita will cut vegetables. She will break this cup. I will think about it. They will take tea. Rita will meet you tomorrow. Raju will run fast. She will leave her job. I will start it from today. He will quit this job. Students will sit on the bench. We will talk about this later. They will stay with us. Meeta will join this class. Aruna will teach you this. Sarika will complete your work. We will walk slowly. So friends, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching the video.